So speaking of sounds, let me play these a bit more just to give you some more sound impressions of how different they can be in their tonality. And then I reckon we'll call it a day. There's such nice ones in here. And maybe that's a good point to make. Obviously, this can go into directions where the Matriarch would make a lot of patching and may never really reach. It can do very convincing E-pianos and glassy sounds and things like that, which I don't really think is something that would be easy to coax out of the Matriarch.